Use the number 8 wrench to unscrew the screws. Remember to always point the handlebar brake lever, always points upwards, so the fluid won't goes out and oxygen won't have to leak in. And put it in through the screw tube. Then connect the brake lever parts with the lines together. And screw it tight. Then put it back onto the handlebars. While fixing the brake lever, remember not to have the lever being touched in case the oxygen got in. And if there's only a little oxygen inside the brake lever, it is okay. It won't have any dangerous problems while riding during braking.